are heading out to go camping.
Going camping with our best friend today. We're just going to pick him up in Pure Gold. Pero mag-breakfast muna kami kasi si Kai, nag-ano na siya, mag-order na siya ng food niya sa SNR kasi napaaga kami. 25 minutes daw yung wait time. So we'll go muna sa Jollibee for breakfast, then we'll pick him up.
Nakabili na kami ng mga gulay, prutas. So now, just gonna eat.
We're 15 minutes away. Medyo zigzag na yung daan. Siya na yung nag-drive kasi kumakain kami kanina ng ice cream. Hi, Kai! Here's Kai. So we're ready. Punong-puno yung likod namin. Pero overnight lang tayo, no? Overnight lang kami. Kala mo 3 weeks kami pupunta, diba? Nag-lunch lang kami kanina.
Yung dala pang isang linggo.
Totoo, yung dala pang isang linggo, may generator pa kami, so hindi nito camping. Tingnan natin. Parang maganda talaga dito 4x4. Paakyat, no? So, we'll take you sa place pag nandun na kami sa campsite. 6 minutes away. Ganda o, pwede kaya mag-fish dyan sa gilid. Dami nagsastop o. Wala siyang entrance dun sa gilid, no? Bawal sigurong puntahan. Guys, may mga coffee shop and pagkain din dito pag nagutom kayo.
Ayan, no,
Tapsilog. Japanese garden daw yan.
May bilis.
Bilis mo naman,
Bilis mo,
kuya.
sir.
Dahan-dahan.
It's a curve.
Really ko over here.
Galit.
Galit ka kaagad din. Hindi naman siya masyadong rough road.
It's just muddy.
It's just muddy.
It's just a muddy road.
Kaya ng sedan. At saka hindi saglit lang eh. Ano lang, 70 meters as per Waze. So nagre-register lang si Kai. Guys, kasi may manok. Pero tingnan nyo, oh. Wow. Oh, diba? So dito yung registration. This looks clean and walang tao halos, no? Kasi nga, it's a Sunday. Here's our setup. So this is Kai. This is us. And look at the view. So sana makapag-fishing kami. Actually, bawal mag-swimming, but it's fine. Kasi medyo, ano rin siya, malakas din yung alon. Pero tignan nyo yung gilid, guys. Oh, ang ganda, oh. Oh, may mga properties doon. Diba? And pet friendly rin sila. Konti tao kasi it's a Sundays. So perfect yung pagpunta namin. So ito lang siya. Konti mga campers, guys. And maganda dito is ano siya, malinis place. It's managed by Eco Hotel. So medyo expected na siya to be really clean. Look at my wife. Lahat to, kaya si Jamie, when she wants to do something, talagang bibili niya lahat. Pero si Kai, sobrang healthy yan na kanyang bao. And then Coke, diba? So pag-fishing kami mamaya, grabe, na-miss ko naman si Jonah, si Kirby, and sila Ayla and Rowan. Kasi hindi namin to nagawa sa Australia eh. Pero we hope makapagdala namin sila dito. Yeah. And mukhang malamig din. Guys, may mga bunk beds. Mamaya magtutour. Bunk rooms rather. Ayun sila. What are you doing? She's fixing my fishing rod. Ni-search niya pa yan eh. Diba, Han? Si kayo. Grabe, ang ganda ng bahay doon, no? Yung puti. Kai. Ganda ng bahay doon, no? Yung puti doon. Videoan ko muna siya, tapos mag-aalak siya. May alak naman tayo dyan eh. Kaya syempre may alak kami pa ba?
Itong gitna lang?
Yun na yun, nakapindot na yun. Pag isa-stop yun na yun. Move lang.
We are all set up. The corn is in the butane stove. puntahan natin ang nangingisda. So guys, dito pwede kayong mag-fishing. No swimming allowed kasi masyadong malakas yung yung current para mag-swimming. Pero sobrang clear ng water. Kita mo naman kasi dito eh. From here kita mo yung ilalim. So clear yung water, malinis siya. It's just that the current is really really strong.
Nalaglag yung
Hook?
nalaglag
It- Okay. Tingnan natin kung makakahuli ang ating misis ng panghapunan. Pag walang nahuli, hindi kakain.
You're just eating my bait. Guys, we have the whole place for ourselves. What happened, Bella? Why is your hair like that, Bella?
Umalis na yung mga
Kakulay niya yung yung fishing hook namin.
umalis na yung mga nag-day tour. So solo na namin yung lugar.
So, kukuha na tayo ng beer! Kasi walang tao, kami lang. We have the place to ourselves. Tapos, our butane is already working. Kanina, tinatry namin. Nilang i-figure out. Saan na ba siya? Ayan, may apoy naman siya. Sorry, hindi kita. Wait lang, let me adjust my camera. Ayan. We are having corns for merienda. It's my wife. Han! Say hi to the vlog. Grabe. So nice as kami lang. Kaya lang ba, sobrang ganda ng lugar, guys. My only problem is paano ako later kasi ang daming manok. Tapos ito si Kai habang naglalakad kami kanina, sabi niya pa, Han, don't worry. Sabi pa, friend, don't worry about the manok kasi the manok later. Wala na sila dyan, nasa puno na sila. Di ba parang mas malala yun? Kasi basta hindi ko na sila kita. So baka hindi na ako maligo.
Alali, ba't
Friend! Halika na! Magbabaon pa ata si Kai dito. Magbabaon ka ba dito?
sana makahuli tayo kahit one.
Kahit one, tas ipapaksiw natin. Kasi wala kaming pang ihaw, guys. Ang meron kami, pang paksiw. Pang paksiw. Kai! Pag nakahuli tayo, wala tayong pang ihaw, pang sigang, pang ano lang, pang paksiw.
May pang prito.
Pang prito lang.
Bakit?
Having mangga.
Okay.
Ayan, and then, fakwan. Si Kai talaga, oh. Ay, ito guys, inayos niya yung fishing rod. Tas hira niya eh.
Kapal ng mukha.
Oh, tignan nga natin yung pakwan natin na 100 pesos. Ay, mamula-mula, mukhang bata pa.
Ang masarap.
Mukhang masarap pa, Han. Ay, mapula. Fresh na fresh. Guys, solo talaga namin siya. Ang sarap. Okay, so for our ensalada, Kai, what are you doing?
Talagang talong.
Yan siya, oh, tignan nyo. Asa na siya, oh, pak. Oh, yan, yes! Walang isda, no? And guys, may nang tumabi sa amin dito. Tropa na talaga namin siya. Pinakain na. So we have this and we also have, teka lang. We have adobo. So niluto na yan sa bahay. And then ang galing ni kayo. Guys, ang ganda ng mga pots na to. These are from Angko. Bili kayo. trying to chase the sunset. So, ngayon, nagpa-photoshoot lang sila. Okay. Tapos, alam nyo guys, may mga konting buhay-bisita. They're just doing photoshoot. Pero, yan. Sobrang ganda. And malamig ha, in fairness talaga. You know, we prefer this camping site over dun sa pinuntahan namin last time in Quezon. So far, the only downside is wala pa kami nahuhuling isda. Pero they said, kasi nga baka daw maalon. I'm not too sure. I'm very new to fishing. So, this is actually the first time we're doing fishing ng kami lang. Kasi we were with our friends in Australia na marunong talaga. So, we're still trying to figure it out. I lost track of the days na and time since I resigned from work last May 7. I just know that today it's a great day and I'm so blessed that I get to do this and I get to share this with you guys. Thank you for watching my vlog. I know you know, if you're here, I don't know you, I really appreciate you. Me too. I'm just making memories with my family, my friends, and I'm very happy to share this with everyone. Kung meron akong mga pupuntahang mga lugar, especially if it's affordable, sobrang happy ako to share it with you guys. I hope you continue to follow us. Grabe, look at that sunset. Sobrang ganda. Just finished dinner. Medyo nag-dinner na kami na maaga. Look at our view. Grabe, it's so nice. Ganda, no? Hindi na kami nakapag-fishing kasi wala talaga mahuli. Good morning from our campsite. So, actually, ayos na kami ng mga tents namin. Tinanggal na namin kasi it was raining so bad last night. It was okay. Sarap din ang tulog namin ng misis. Pero grabe, pinasok yung tent namin ng water. Pero konti lang naman. And then, medyo naging okay yung weather na around 4 a.m. Pero, wala. Ano rin siya. Mulan din siya na sobra hanggang kanina mga 5:30. So, yan. Nag-a-unpack na kami. Ito na lang yung natira. Gumanda yung weather ha, no? Nung nakapag-ayos na tayo. Okay lang naman. Kami lang dito. Sobrang saya. Ito yung water ngayon. Umangat na yung water. Oh, you'll see. Kaso yun, we have to leave early. Ha? Paanod mo na, friend. Sige. Kasi talagang pinasok yung tent ni Kai, guys. Siguro here's what I'll do, no? For the tent that we bought, this one we bought in TikTok, it's even in my showcase. But I'll place a disclaimer na lang na if uulan ng malakas, I'm not too sure. Kasi first naman na overnight natin to no? Maybe I won't recommend this for overnight. Kasi pinapasok, I'm not sure kung yung sa amin lang, yung tahi lang nun sa amin, no, Han? But we are thinking, what do you want for our anniversary?
Better tent.
Which tent do you want?
Coleman.
Yeah. So baka ganun na lang. Ang choice niya is the upgraded Dyson. Kasi I bought her Dyson 3 years ago when we first started dating for Christmas. Our first Christmas together. So I'll see kung ano. I'm giving her until June to decide. We'll see. Tignan niyo siya, oh. Oh, wala na. Oh, ano? Grabe. So, don't worry about the trash. We will definitely pick those up. Okay. Sobrang careful, sobrang helpful nung ganito namin. Yan. These are the storages that we use pa from our wedding. Parang, we bought this in IKEA for how much, Han? 200. Oh. We didn't need to buy Tor naman kasi okay pa naman siya. And, hindi naman nabasa yung gamit natin kahapon, no? Kasi naiwan niya mga yan eh. Ikot tayo sa site kasi I think ngayon ko lang kayo mag-ikot sa site. Pero yan. Oh. Ganda ng ano. Ganda ng araw. May pasulat pa tayo. I think that's the last one. I'm not sure. Ayan yung struggle talaga ng pagka-camping, yung pack up, no. Yung pack up ang mas mahirap kay, no? Yung pack up ng camp. Diba? Si Mrs. magaling magkamada yan ng mga gamit. So, tingnan nyo. Ayun ako guys, hindi ako makatulong masyado. Doon ako sa maliliit lang na gamit. And I'll drive because of the frozen shoulders. Tapos ayun, may balsa sila doon. there's no swimming as allowed eh. Pero dito sa side, yan, ganda dyan kahapon.